Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing wardrobe organization. But I will not show how I organize my wardrobe, but I will try to show how we can maximize storage in a small closet or the mistakes that we do while organizing it. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First step is very simple. Whenever you are reorganizing wardrobe, take out everything. If everything is out, it will be easy to declutter clothes that we are not wearing for a long time or it's not fitted now. Once everything is out, now it's time to segregate the clothes which need alteration and which is no more in use. Use different baskets to keep them. So let's start with the top cabinet. Mostly we keep those items at the top cabinet that we are not using frequently, like bags and seasonal clothes. So if we keep like this, it pile up after some times or fall over each other. And your organized shelf become unorganized. So to get rid of it and to make our work easy, we can use this type of dividers. This shelf dividers helps to keep clothes, liners and even bags vertical so we can stack higher and fit more. Now it looks organized. Now if we really need extra storage, we can use this space as our extra storage by using under shelf cabinet basket. This organizer will give some more extra space to keep makeup basket or jewelry box, and our vertical space can be utilized very efficiently. To use vertical space, we can use this type of hangers. By using this, we can save 80% of the space. You can put the clothes together on one hanger. You can store multiple garments on a single hanger, keeping clothes organized and neat while saving space. Instead of these hangers, we can use this type of chain. This will also play a same role. To hang scarf and hankies or even other small clothes, we can use cloth bags in a single hanger to save space. In the meantime, let me tell you something about Mirrorlink Bulbul shopping website. You will get decor items for Diwali and many more products in very low price. This website provides COD, free delivery and 5-day return policy with deal of the day. You can place your order in WhatsApp number given on the screen. All the links to place the order and to install the apps are in description box. अगर आपके पास बैंगल ऑर्गेनाइजर नहीं है और आपको डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा है बैंगल्स को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, then you can use this type of hangers and organize your bangles very easily. And hang this hanger on the wall of the wardrobe by using adhesive hook. Some clothes fall from the hanger and look untidy and unorganized. For that, we can use bands on both the sides of the hanger. Now clothes will stay on the hanger. कितना भी आप खींचो, कपड़े गिरेंगे नहीं. We all have habit of leaving things like this after using cosmetics. This will create mess and wardrobe look unorganized and untidy. So keep everything in its proper place. To organize our all cosmetics, we can use this type of 2-tier organizer. This will help us to keep our cosmetics in one place. To utilize vertical space, we can hang tubes by using curtain rings and clips. Or simply use hooks and small baskets to keep all the knick-knack things of wardrobe. Instead of keeping bags on the cabinet, that will take a lots of space, but by using bag organizer, we can use a vertical space and maximize storage in our cabinets. हम इस तरह से सॉक्स रखते हैं कैबिनेट्स में, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम इट बिकम मैस. This storage box help us to organize all our socks and handkerchief in a proper manner. We can use this type of compartment box to organize jewelries and kids accessories in one place, tidy and without tangled. Use door to organize things. We can use this type of organizer which have 16 pockets. We can easily organize undergarments and even cosmetics. This type of organizers can also help to organize kurtis and jeans. This will also help to save the space, again utilizing the vertical space very efficiently. To keep off-season shirts, jeans, pants, we can use this type of organizer and keep them inside the bed and above the wardrobe. All these hacks will help us to maximize the storage in our small closet. So that's all for today. Please consider subscribing my channel. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.